In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices settings. In them, scroll down, misclick, to access battery section over here. Following that, click on Performance next to Balanced and tap on OK in Performance mode pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on Balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!